Which one of the following is a characteristic feature of chrysophytes? Chrysophytes are protistans, which are all having pigments. They are all autotrophic, mostly seen in sea, also are present in freshwater. What is their characteristic feature? They are parasitic forms? No. They are saprotrophic forms? No. They are autotrophic. They have indestructible cell wall deposited with silica. Chrysophytes are having a soap dish like pustule or theca. This is the epitheca, larger upper. This is the hypotheca, which is smaller lower. They are all made up of cellulose impregnated with silica so that they are indestructible. When they fall to the bottom, after thousands of years, they will form a gritty soil called diatomaceous earth. Okay. So, indestructible cell wall, that's correct one. A protein rich in pellicle, euglenoids. Most of them have two flagellae. One lies longitudinal and the other transverse. This is for dinoflagellates. Okay. So, the answer is C.